Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys doing great today. So I am back with another forecast for 10th of April 2024. So moving toward our forecast, so let me show you the result of our old forecast. So on 8th of April I have predicted that our gold will face a downward movement. Okay, so it have exactly done what I have predicted. So as you can see, what I have told you, that if the gold break the point of 2319, we can see a major drop of the gold toward 2306, and it have done exactly the same thing. So after that, what I have told you, after touching this specific block of 4 hours block, this block which I have placed green color, it was a 4-hour chart block. So after touching this specific block, the price have faced another retracement. So yeah, from this point we have seen a major retracement, and again I have told you that if gold break this price order block at 30 minutes, we can take up huge profit toward 2350, and it have done exactly the same. So now moving toward my today's forecast, so let me show you a few things here. So as you guys can see, in a day one time frame, we are still on a same support. There is no momentum here which have break this region. So still this region is still activated for us, so it will be play a significant role right now for those who love to trade and hold them. So I would recommend that if price break this specific region, then guys, this region can become a great support or TP point for you. You just have to hold it for a few days. Like you can face some retracement here, but it will touch this point for sure, because it was the candle which have created this movement. So there might be a various support, I mean various sellers still be activated there. Okay, so now let me move toward 4 hours chart for a clear view. So as you can see, in 4 hours chart I have already drawn a supports here, also two of the resistance. So as for now, what I have done, I have created the support at this point, but as you can see and move toward the backward, this specific point have play an important role, because after this point we can see a huge bullish candle as well. So again, this specific region will be our good retracement region as well. Okay, if the price touch this point, this specific region which is 2304, then we can again see a major trace back toward the higher high. Okay, after that again I have placed second support. Why this support has been placed? Because after a bullish candle, again there were a bullish candle, and this is the support of a doji candle. So yes, doji candle supports play important roles as well. Similar for this candle, the price was in a bullish direction, then again it have turned into the bearish, and again moving toward the bearish direction, I mean bullish direction. So our trend is still in a bullish direction, but today we will face some good retracement levels as well because of the CPI news. Okay, so this specific region is currently our resistive order block. Means if price touch this point, there is a possibility of touching this point again, then again, and might play in sideways. But at the time of the CPI news, we can see a major drop in a gold. So what I am expecting that if price break this specific region, means 23 uh, 39, we can take our selling entry and toward to the 2304. But again, I will recommend that you should place the TPs in three ways. Means this will become our TP1, this point 2327, then 2319 will be a TP2, and this will 2304 will become our TP3. And please do place a stop loss, since it's your money you have to earn again. Okay, so it is a good to it is the good to lose less amount rather than a huge amount of your capital. So again, now moving toward direction, which is predicted that what I am expecting again, that after retracement it will again go for the bullish, and this is a 2385 with the region which I am expecting right now. So if the price break this order block right now, then we can see a retracement again. Okay, this price will play in a sideways. So what I'm expecting, if this region, this is a good buy zone which I have marked, it is a higher high resistance. If this region is break, then we can expect a 2385. But again, I will again recommend you to place a trailing stop loss and take profits in a term of TP1, TP2 and TP3. So you can get a maximum amount of your profit. So this is my prediction for today. What I'm expecting, I am repeating again that I can see a major drop down in a gold in a selling region. Again, why I am saying this, as you can see in the CPI news, if you retrace the CPI news in the old recent events of gold, CPI most of the time was a reversal for a gold. Means at the time of a news, we have seen a lot of drop in a gold region. After 1 or 2 hours, we have seen a retracement back toward the higher highs. So again, as per current news and the stability of a current USD, so I am expecting the same movement again. So this is for today, and I hope it will be helpful, and let's hope for a great victory. So thank you guys. Have a good day.